Hi, I'm Charlotte at SeeNaturally. I'm a natural eyesight improvement teacher, and I've been teaching people how to improve their eyesight and the quality and comfort of their vision for the past 18 years. So today I have a new vision tip for you, very simple. It's about movement. But it's not the movement you'd expect, it's oppositional movement. So what you do is you choose an object that's quite close to you. And then you look at it in a relaxed way and you just move from side to side. You can do this standing or sitting. You look at the object and you notice that what's behind it and around it is moving in the opposite direction, because that's what will be happening. If you don't notice that immediately, don't worry. Just keep going, persevere and try again. But you'll probably notice that things are moving oppositionally to what you're looking at. You don't need to understand it on theoretical level, just notice there's movement. And then you look behind that object at another object in a further distance, medium or further distance. And you look at that object and notice that the first object and everything around it here is moving in the opposite direction to the second object. So you'll notice that there's this oppositional movement in relation to the second object. And then you can bring your attention back to the first object, do it again, and then to the second object, do it again. And as you do it, relax, blink, and open up your side vision. When we do this, we become aware of the peripheral vision, and that then helps to further relax our visual system. So this is a brilliant technique, it's called the sway. Brilliant technique for improving the eyesight, increasing clarity, opening up our three-dimensional vision, which can often be so two-dimensional, our vision, and we don't even realize it. So it opens up our 3D vision and relaxes the mind, relaxes the eyes, helps us to start to see better. And as you walk around, notice oppositional movement as it goes past you, around you. As you walk around, you move your head up and down to the side, you'll notice movement. People with excellent vision notice movement, notice oppositional movement everywhere unconsciously. So that's your tip for today. And I want to tell you about a fantastic course that I've got coming up, workshop. It's on Saturday the 14th, so if you happen to be free, please join us. There's still one day to book before the bookings close. It's in Thame at the Barnes Centre. It's called Vision, Joy and Relaxation. Fantastic course with workshop with lots of lovely, lovely things that to really relax and nurture you and nurture your vision. That's from 10 till 1. And you'll find information on that on the vision lessons page of my website, seenaturally.co.uk. And then there's also a workshop in Marlow on the 4th of February from 10 till 1. And that's called Rest Your Eyes and See More Clearly, because rested eyes see more clearly, and I can show you how to rest your eyes and learn some really fantastic foundational techniques for vision improvement. And the same course will also be on Zoom on the 11th of February from 4 till 7. So these are workshops, actually, not courses, workshops. And so I hope you can join us. Please do, and try out the techniques that I've got on my YouTube channel. See if they work for you. And if they do, you'll know for yourself that natural vision improvement works and it lasts. It's amazing. Otherwise I wouldn't do this work. It's fantastic. So that's wrapping up from me now. Have a great rest of the week. Looking forward to sharing another tip with you soon. Take care. Bye.